All right with you. Welcome to another video here on the channel. Today I will show you a way to use the alert. Customized. Normally we use the OutSystems standard, which for me is already very good. Its purpose is just to show the user that something happened, be successful, a warning or an error. But if you are creating one application and wants to modify it completely, is to have one different layout and also has one different alert. Today I'm going to show you how to do it using one of Ford's components. If you want to know how you do it, I'll explain after the vignette. Let's go. So to start here, you'll come to Ford, OK, and we'll search by Alert Suite. The version I'm using, right? The component I'm using is this one. There are others, I think, but if you want to follow exactly the same step, use this one. Installs. If you also want to install the demo version to see how all features work, feel free. After installed, let's go to our application. Here, I have a blank application. Has absolutely nothing. I'll come here and I'll manage the dependencies. To get what I want, I will type suite here. Soon suite alert here. There are several actions you can use. I will only use the alert one. It's fine, but you can later if you want. Is finally to consume all this. Here are several. I took one look here. This component is very interesting, and we will also need of this database icon here that has the error image records information anyway. Then we'll need this Night Alive Suite challenge. I'll even consume it here right now. I explain later. Because we need it, yes, to wanna play. And in my case here I will only create one button on the screen. Okay, let me see here. Let's search for lip. And let's drag here to screen. I will put the name only of cheeses. Alert ready. Successful. I'll give you 2 clicks here to create an action for it. Ready here inside the action is simple as that. You will come here in logic. Here will be the switch alert. You drag the alert here. Ready now we are going to put a title here. Will I want to show a successful alert message. So I'll write generically again. Worked. Wait there. Left here. Worked. Ready. Here I can put some other text to appear. It's the recording button. By default it comes like OK. I will put is just to show that it works right. If I put it up here you will see that his default label is OK. But to show that it works, I will write here. Alright. Ready anything. And here in the icon, we will put the success. Ready, this will already work. Could. I'll show you guys that it doesn't work that way. Okay, I'll post it here. And let's see it there in the browser. Because it doesn't work. And you explain why. We are already here in our browser with our little button. But if I click here, it won't work. I can close. Try to open again. It doesn't work. Why? This one is going to work. I imagine I had tears behind me. Okay, I don't have access to the source code. But from the knowledge I have here, it works through audio. So we need to initialize our before starting to do anything in our application. And how do I do this is through one red on my screen. In this case, no. I'll show you how it does. Let's go back here. Let's come in action customer. It is logical that customer action and comes here. With this from here, every time this module by executed, it will rotate this from here. In this case, here are defined my scripts. Then he will rotate the generator first. Will read my page. Go read my JavaScript. And when I click my button, he'll understand what I'm trying to do. It's good, and that's what I'm going to do here. Simply, I will drag this night alive alert suite here, because inside it here is logic that will make my alert of mine fabric work. Okay, I'll give a publisher again, and let's see if it works in practice now. So we come back here to our page. I'll give you a refreshment. Apparently it's the same. However, if I click show alert, worked. Alright, this button here is it comes by default with OK. It's EU. I don't know if it's possible to take it, at least with what we have here in hand, but you don't need to click the OK button and clicks off the screen. It already works in the same. I will open again. Ready. Clicked here. Let's assume the user created a new record in a table. Ready, you show it. If you save it, click here out and it worked fine. If you want, move is and go deeper. In this specific component has several other features here. And definitely if you use it in your applications, we'll leave with one guy more professional, right? No matter how much one pop-up opens, it's not that little container that goes down. It's one little visually more beautiful and more intuitive for the user too, because of the animation. Anyway, it's very interesting. I really like that from here. If you want to learn one little more about within OutSystems, leave it there in the comments. Down here, I can bring something talking about JavaScript, how to use JavaScript within the platform where systems. It's good anyway. If want some specific content, use the comments below to tell me what you want to learn. If I don't know, I study and bring it to you too. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If not enrolled, activate the notification bell and like this video to reach more people who also want to learn autistic. See you next time. Until then.